Hello guys, this is Danny at ParTay. So just wanted to put out a general reminder that you don't have to lose all your screen's integrity when you go to a black screen. Now this is a black screen, it's not abysmally black, it's more like a very dark charcoal. And yes, it is darker, you can tell it's darker than the screen around it, but the integrity of the color carried through to a higher dark screen. And what I mean by higher dark is you're going to get greater darks. It maintains a really good contrast ratio visually here, because in the phone it looks a little darker than it does when you're watching it with the eye. But you can tell as you get in, your colors is giving you the contrast as those are coming through, right? But it's maintaining your color integrity. So you can watch, they're darker, you're going to get that with more contrast. It's not going to push, well I say more contrast with a darker screen, it's not going to push your whites as much as a contrast on your television would. Pardon me, let me grab the remote. But still, strong integrity of color, no blue push. And the wonder of this, now this is not my serious mix, this that I put out there for free. This I actually crafted today, and it is has literally one drop of black flat paint in it, one drop. But holds up relatively well. I mean, if the whole screen looked like this, you wouldn't really know the difference, because it's still bright in this room. It is darker, but it's still a very bright screen. So I do like, how dark it is around the ridges at the top. I mean, it really adds that extra bump of contrast. And I do like how you pick up a little more detail in here. Now, whether or not I'm going to be willing to trade my screen to go a little darker, I'm not really sure. I'll let my wife make that choice. But thanks to my partner Jason, this is based on something he had told me he had seen a video where a guy was doing some, I think, printing inks, and had used one drop of ink. Now I try to use that as I think that there's a possibility for that in future, but I need to do some research into that space, because what I got did not work, so I just reverted back to literally one drop of black flat paint. Did an excellent job. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. I'll put the email in the description below. You guys have a great night.